And we are live! Welcome to the live stream. We're here, we are at it. Getting situated. Let me see, everything is good. I'm gonna get some music in my ears. It's wireless. Sorry. Let's get that out the way. Let me make sure I'm all connected. Okay, let me plug this up. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry. Yes. All right. I think I'm about ready. Let's go. If you have questions, please ask me. I'd love to help you. Good afternoon, Peter. Thank you for telling me good morning. Let me pop out this chat. Oh, you know what I did not have set up? The copier. Let me get that done right now. Sorry, I had a friend call me right now and I was talking to her. Give me 1 second. Then we'll get situated here. The zone held. Nice. I'm assuming it was one near initial balance. Oh, it was this one right here, I believe. I wonder if he took it. Yeah. Oh, nice. Good call. Good call. Pretty badass. Okay, I'm going to do this real quick. Okay, let me do my green. Do I see here? Okay, let me do my zone above, and then I think I'm good to go. There we go. Oh, you know what I didn't do is my high time frame zones. Okay, give me 1 second. Oh, what's going on with the copier? I did not take it. Oh, did you trade London, Peter, or no? Yeah. Okay, give me 1 second. I need to connect the copier, then I'll be good to go. Okay, and I think I'm good. Let me double check. Give me 1 second. Make sure the account that I have is connected. 76, yes. Okay, I think we're ready. Let's go. Trade in London was an all-day meeting, so I don't have time to do it. Yeah, fair enough. It's awesome that you get breaks too. Also, London is pretty difficult. Okay, let me. Yeah, okay, I'm ready. Okay. I need to look at my high time frame zones. I haven't done them at all yet. There is really nothing. Oh, I see something. And we're holding too. It's on the initial balance. And then let's just make that solid. Okay. Yeah, London is I hate London. I hate London. Let's see. Also too, London for me is like at 4 in the morning. Like 4 to 6. Like if I had to, I would. But afternoon's still doable. Okay, give me a second. Okay, I see something else. Thank you for the hearts. I'm assuming it's from Nicole. Okay. Let me get situated here. Yeah, I think I'm done. Now we just sit and wait now. I would say we're bearish, but we have a 15-minute zone below that we're clearly holding. Also has initial balance. The London lines, I don't remember where I put them at. I think they're in this. Oh no, they're above. They're far away. Okay. Okay. I don't want to say that, or I don't want to look for a bearish play until we break this green zone below. but we are dropping on the 15-minute time frame. Let me check for news too. Jeez, I was so unprepared. Okay. Financial. We have news at no. That's later in the day. We're okay. So we're good to go. Okay. Put the lines at 11. This zone is clearly holding. Peter, if you still have this zone available, I would stick to your analysis and not use mine. See, Adrian also texted me. Nice. Oh, if you're curious, Peter, Adrian ended up moving to a different strategy, but it's been working out for him. And I think he's about to pass one of the accounts. I mean, and I helped him get the copier set up last night. Oh, I see something. Okay, obviously I'm not going to take it because it taps after one standard deviation. I'm going to go get something to snack on, and it won't take long, so just give me a second. Let me just do something. BRB. Okay, that was terrible. I should just do text. I'll be right back. BRB. All right, give me a second. I'm just gonna get something to snack on and get a water. I was just so unprepared. I was on the phone with my friend. I apologize. Okay, be right back. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, I can't determine the direction right now. because the spot we're in, I want to look for a bullish trade. Let's see how we do with this area right here. I need to cut my hair also. Or just grow it out again. See, this is why I can't determine direction. It's like we're holding still. If we break this green zone and keep coming down, it's a small 15-minute zone. So it won't take long. We'll have volume, so we'll see. Just the past few days we've been breaking to the upside and not the downside, so I think it's just time we break or start coming down. I don't want to deal with chop. To the gentleman that was asking me about advice on he was trading this with Forex, it was like a JPY or USD. I'm not familiar with it. I trade futures specifically, and specifically MNQ or NQ, the NASDAQ or NAS 100. And I trade the 5-second time frame. I know it sounds crazy, like out of pocket, but I promise you it's not as difficult as it seems. I use the 15-minute, the same pattern, just a little bit loose in the requirements. I use the 15-minute time frame for direction, and then I decide on a bullish or bearish trade on the 5-second time frame. And then the 1 minute, I don't look for 1 minute zones. I feel like it causes analysis paralysis. So I use the 1 minute to help with direction also. I have the EMA on there, as you can see on the top left of my screen. So like right now, the candles are telling me we're just chopping. But when we are pushing up or when we are pushing down, as you can see in this area right here, the 1 minute is clearly telling me that we're bearish. So that's how I use the 1 minute to my advantage. And the more you trade, I've been trading for so long that and I've always traded the 1 minute for so many years, so I can really tell what direction we're going with the 1 minute. But having the 15 minute and then these 5-second zones all together really gets me really, really good at avoiding counter trend trades. But obviously we're all still human. I still make mistakes. It happens. And we're playing a game of probabilities. I'm not going to win every trade, but I win most trades just because I'm really good at determining direction. Okay. Okay, sorry, I had to text back. I have a little snack here to snack on. Just haven't eaten today yet. I see something here, but we would need a lot more strength for me to want to take it. I don't like taking zones within zones. I don't think it's going to develop. Like the only reason I would take a zone within a zone is if it had like strong candles coming away from it, and then we came back and like really respected it. And like a situation like this, as you can see, price comes back and then reacts to this main zone, clearly tells me that this zone is pointless. Like having the ability, knowing when not to take a play and when not to trade. If we push up, I'll look for a bullish play. I'll be interested in one. But you know what? I see something here. Oh, I didn't notice that. There's a very clear strong zone that's really holding here. I'll still look for a bullish play if we don't react to it, but if we do react to it, I'll be a little indecisive. It's a very strong zone. Yeah, it's a really, really strong zone. It's the whole entire wick of the 15-minute drop or 15-minute pullback. So we do here. Peter, I've like been hustling the content grind. I can show you since someone's watching right now. I don't know if you can see it. I have like this book, and I've written like in the book. I don't think you can see it or not, but like how ahead I've gotten on content. So like it takes me about 5 minutes to shoot a short, and then about 30 minutes to shoot a video. But it takes me like 30 minutes to edit and stuff. So I just need to hire somebody. So like you couldn't see, I just saw right now you couldn't see the book, but I'm like, I schedule 3 shorts a day on all platforms, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and then I have 2 long forms a week, so 2 long form YouTube videos. And it's working. I'm getting traction now. I also have people. So all the whole point of all those videos and stuff, at the end I do a call to action, saying like, comment this and I'll send you a PDF. And that PDF takes them to a landing page, or like that link takes them to a landing page, or they can get the PDF. But also it's me talking about the mentorship, so they can get into the mentorship. So I'm getting traction. Traction's coming in. I just give me like a month or two, and I'm pretty sure I'll get a lot of people in. And then also after I do that, I want to start running ads. So hopefully it can start to grow. But I enjoy teaching, so I'm like, I hate doing all the grunt work, but I know it's gonna be fun. And when the people are coming in, because before when I was doing half-ass work, people were coming in. So now I'm giving it my all a lot more now. Oh, you've seen it? Yeah, that's awesome. And I'm doing all this work now, so I'm pretty sure we'll get people in. Like have a real community. All that stuff happened with my son's mother and my ex-wife. Just me being stupid and choosing the wrong people in my life. But I'm doing a lot better now. I got my head straight now. I don't see nothing. Oh, okay, never mind. I'm gonna extend this out. Let's see. Oh no. Yeah, but I want to hire somebody to help me do all the stuff. But I know I need to like do everything by myself first, so I can really master and understand what I'm doing. Because even editing, I've just been doing it and doing it. Dude, fuck yes, let's build it. Like the whole point, like when I first started, was getting the mentees to help new mentees. So, like the new people coming in, the mentees who have already been there are gonna help the new people. Like that was the whole point when I started it. So like hopefully that's where we can get to. That's awesome. I love using you as an example too. Like you're such a perfect example of like what to do, being an adult, following, showing up. Cause like, and you've been through life. This is so easy compared to everything else you've done in your life. Like you don't have to clock in and clock out. Like you just sit here, stare at screens and press buy and sell. And you're literally just taking money out the air. But I think the hard part people struggle with is just showing up. The 1 minute candles are holding above the EMA. They look pretty good. We're still closing, pushing up. We look pretty bullish, but the zone above is really strong. It's a really, really strong zone. So we'll see how we react to it. If we don't react to it, that's a good sign, but we're more likely going to. And if we do, I might look for something bearish. I don't necessarily don't want to play the chop though. Sorry, let's look at my phone. Oh, there's something nice. I bet we'll fill this too. I necessarily don't want to take it just because we have so many bullish indications. If we break this low and then come back and tap, I'll be interested in this. Let's make it tighter too. Let's see if we... Yeah, no, it's not going to. We're still pushing up. Oh, shoot. It failed at 40%. I like being proved right. That's fun. Or like I like marking out zones that end up working out. But I know what zones work out because just how the candles are formed. If it's a strong drop, then typically that means there's order still in this middle area. If there's like a lot of chop here, then I know the zone's not going to hold as strong as one like these. But like, you know, when you keep doing this again and again, what zones hold. And a great example was Peter earlier on the Discord showed us a zone that he was interested in, and then it played out. Nice. It filled the zone out. Since this got filled and the one that we're in got mitigated, I'm gonna leave this up just in case we do hold this. If we break it, I'll take it off. Because then if we keep coming down from here, then I can look for a bearish play in this area. Okay, come on, please break. Give me something bullish. Oh, it doesn't want to. This chop is gonna make me go crazy. Typically, and you know this too, Peter, when this happens, we're gonna get a random push out of nowhere. Just like this. This is a good example here. Like we chop and then the big push. We're chopping and we're getting a big push. I hope that we just continue going up. I really don't want it to reject. Oh, I ended up taking a $80 trade after the stream ended yesterday. So like all the accounts made like $87. I saw something like real small and I took it almost immediately. But I took it and then I like trailed and it closed me out. And I don't even know if the zone worked out or not. I just closed the program. Oh yeah. We're pushing. That's good. I like this so far. Let's see if I nope, sniff it. There is something, but I'm not gonna mark it out. It's too big. I'm gonna leave it like this. Let me take my sweater off real quick. Okay. I'm more likely gonna take this. I like this. If it fills out though. If it doesn't fill out, I'm not gonna take it, obviously. Yeah, I'm liking this. It's doing what it's doing. No, never mind. I needed to push more down. Oh, maybe. Just speaking too soon. Just wait. If not, if not. Because it seems like we're just going to chop, and I really hope we don't. Lots of wishful thinking here. Yeah, I don't think it's going to do what I wanted to do. Absolutely not. Yeah, it's not. That's funny. Okay, so this is what we're going to do here. We're going to make this green. Then we're going to move this to the side. Oh, this failed. That's pretty cool. Just didn't play out how I wanted it to play out though. That would have been too risky. Come on. Come on, brother. Well, I hope your day is doing good, Peter. I assume you like go to an office and work in an office like during your London session. And then like you're trying to trade while at work. And then I assume you're like off of work or like on the way home during the afternoon session for me. It's crazy to think to me like how different your culture is out there too, like the people and everything. Interesting. It's pretty cool. Yo, what's up, Mr. 20? I love the support. Please let me know if you have any questions at all. I have no problem helping you out. Been driving home now. Do you live far from work? Like, are you driving like an hour or is it just like 40 minutes or like 30 minutes? Because typically, in my mind, I'm assuming that it takes a while. Or you're just getting off right now. I get it. You drive on the right side, I believe, too, right? Or you drive on the left side? Mr. 20. It's 20, 40 minutes. Oh, that's not too bad. That's crazy though. That's pretty cool. And then you're getting in your education while you're driving. That's awesome. It's pretty smart. That keeps the flow going. That's pretty badass. Same as US. Oh, pretty cool, pretty cool. I wonder what you drive. I don't know if you have a dad car or you have a fun car. I bought and sold cars for a few years. I had a dealership too for a while. I've had like every Hot Boy car. My favorite though was a C5 01 Corvette. It was like full bolt-ons. It's pretty badass. 20, I know you're new to the stream. If you have any questions, ask me. Just a quick rundown. On the top right, I use the 15-minute for direction. I look for the same NNT pattern. I just adjust the rules a bit. And then on the 1 minute, I don't make 1 minute zones. I use it for direction also just by looking at the candles and using the EMA. And then my main screen is a 5-second time frame, looking for the same pattern. I see a lot of qualified zones, but like not A+ zones, so I won't take them. So I really only take my A++ zones. But today we've just been chopping, and I hope we find something. It's really hard to trade the chop because I'm not finding my A+ setups, so I won't take anything. And if you do trade London, this is really easy because London really tests your patience. Like I see a play right here, but I'm not going to take it because it's in another zone. I don't take zones within zones. Unless it's like super duper clean, but this one isn't. Family car, VW tour. I think you told me that before. That's cool. That's pretty badass. I've been trading the 1 minute NNT with insane results, bro. Thank you. Dude, if you want to join the mentorship, it's dirt cheap. I can teach you the 5-second. There's more opportunity. And you can cut down to 2 to 3 trades a day. I prefer one and just over leveraging on your prop challenges to pass them faster. And then you can get on the copier. So I have a course and I would critique your trades to make you do better. But obviously if the 1 minute's working out for you, go ahead and stick with that. But I also teach you like an initial balance, the London lines, like how to determine direction better. So then you just have higher probability trades. So like the whole point of the mentorship is I'm increasing your win rate even more and making you more selective and more patient. And so those mistakes that you don't see, I'm adjusting. But it's awesome you're performing well off free education. I think if you ever watch SMB Capital or like any prop firm in general, podcasts, they all say the same thing, that you thrive and do so much better when you're with others and like just not doing it by yourself. And the ones who do well by themselves blow up when they work with others. So it's pretty cool that you're trying to do more and like want to learn more. Also on my mentorship thing, I have something called NNT Plus for you to trail. But basically you're just putting a take profit on the eternal swing, and then another take profit is trailing the EMA. And so like if you get a body close under the EMA line, you're just trailing. And if you want like a more in-depth free video on the trailing with the EMA for higher RR, look up DaveFX. He has a video, because DaveFX this is what my strategy is based off of, but his teachings is extremely complicated and he rants too much. But he has a long video, but it's worth it. The EMA one, he explains how to trail with the EMA on the 1 minute. I like the 5 second 2 row, but I get addicted to the charts, so to the 1 minute while at my job, so I can peek the charts every few minutes. T has informed, I can continue working. Yes, so for that, I teach people the 15 second. So the 5 second or the 15 second, and the whole point of it is that, oh, hold on, this zone is holding, let me bring it out. The point of it is that the 15 second, the candles are a lot more thick, but there's more opportunity. So you're able to end the day faster. And especially since you're at work, I would recommend you to cut down to 1 trade a day. So you can peek the 15 second, do your 1 trade, and then just hop off. The candles are a lot more, just like how you see on the 1 minute. It's not that much different than the 1 minute. Just you'll see a lot more opportunity. So you can end your days faster. You'll see more A+ setups and whatnot. And also too, NNT plus for the higher RR is higher probability on the lower time frames. So you can get better results off the 15 second, like higher RR plays. Because even if the higher RR is like 1.5 or 1.6, it adds up over time. Dude, I'm telling you, get into the damn mentorship. I only have, it's like $100 a month, and then I have a free trial, and if you don't like it on day 7, and if you forget to cancel it, you can just do a refund. Like, I have everything set up for you. I have a lifetime also. I don't know, it's like $400 or $500, and you're in there for life. But all I'm doing, I'm just critiquing your trades. So whenever you take them, the course teaches you how to submit it and how to set up your journal. So then I can see your trades, and then I can tell you like what to do better. Okay. So we're clearly chopping, but we're coming down, so this is good. This is that big move I was talking about, how we chop a little bit, then we get a big move. I'm afraid that we might not keep continuing down. If we're just floating in this area, then I'm not going to be able to take anything. This is the big zone I was talking about. We reacted perfectly. Yeah, thank you for vouching for me, Peter. Peter joined, and he was unprofitable. Now he's funded, which is so badass. I love using him as an example because he shows up. And he lives in a different part of the world, which is so cool. Yeah, the golden thing is just sticking to one strategy. And since I have something that's so mechanical and easy to follow. Okay, I'm more than likely going to take this. Let me mark it out. Hello, Nicole. Yeah, I'm more likely going to take this. I like this a lot. Let me see where standard deviation is at. I like this a lot. Yeah, I'm going to take this. This is good to go for me. It's not a full proper sweep, but a sweep still did happen. As you can see, it's a tiny stupid zone right here. It's even if we come back though. I like this a lot. The volatility is coming in. Sell. Ah, shoot. Did that wrong. Where are we at? Sell limit. There it goes. TP. What's bugging right now?
Order canceled.
I don't even think we're coming back. We're moving down so hard. Okay. TP. Stop loss. I'm pretty sure I can go for higher RR here also. I'm gonna move. Oh, we're not coming back. There's no way we're gonna come back. I just saw that nasty drop. Okay, let's see. Thank you, Nicole.
Order submitted.
Okay, let me do one. Create new order. Okay. I'm gonna have it set just in case, but I doubt we're gonna come back. And then I'll have one go for the trail.
Order submitted.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. Let me extend the zone out too. Please come back, sir. Please. Depending how strong we come back up, I might not be able to trail. And I'll just put the order back on. Or I'll move it. But we'll see. Also, I have some evals connected to the copier right now. And they have trailing drawdown. But it's only one MNQ, so it's okay. Oh. You got 3 minutes. Thank you. I hope we don't chop. If we chop for too long, I'll have to take it off also. I wonder if you're trading mobile 20 or if you're on a laptop at work. But also if you're, I don't know what program you're using. If you're using TradingView, you have to get the premium to trade the seconds time frame. If you're on the laptop or something, you want something free, NinjaTrader lets you trade the seconds time frame. If this forms, I'll take it, but I don't know if it's going to form or not. I don't think it will. Do we have resistance here? No, we don't. Yes and no, but we don't. Oh, it might form. I'm liking it so far. Oh, it's a little sexy. Let's see. Yeah, I think I'm going to take that. Oh, no, it's far. Okay, let's see. Let me just mark out standard deviation. And then... Okay. I won't go for higher R with this play, though, if we do reach standard deviation. Yeah. Yep, okay, let's go for this. I like this a lot. I might go for higher R now since we touched the green zone, which is good to see. Okay. Yeah, everything looks good so far. Yes. Where were we at? $70, $80. I can add another contract to this one. Let's leave it at 8. Let's not get too crazy. Okay. Let's see. And let's hope for the best here. I'll go for the eternal swing, wherever that ends up being. And if you are watching 20, this is a great example of if it does fail, what I'm talking about. So eternal swing would be right here. Ah, we're gonna fill 40. Please, no. That's so. Excuse my language. That's so fucking annoying. Sorry. Oh, that sucks. I really wanted this play too. I really did. Oh, that sucks. That really does suck. This happened all day yesterday too. Oh, that sucks. I really wanted this. I took my order off because we filled 40%. This little red line that I have, and then the blue line we touched, which mitigates the zone. The zone's mitigated, so it's no longer tradable. That sucks. Yeah, 40% again. That sucks. Let's see. That really sucks. I took it off. Awesome. Then you know. The blue line, yeah. See, we got saved from a loss because if we would have taken it, we would have taken a loss. Hey, since we're having so much strength, I still want this one above then. Create new order, TP. And then, what is this, 6 contracts? Okay. I like that the stream is delayed about a second so I can make my own decisions. Yes, that's what I love. I love to, like, I don't want to be the one to influence. That's what I love about the mentorship is like the people that are coming in are, especially Peter, like he's making his own trades. Like I'm not helping him decide. It's so cool though because we're obviously following the same strategy. If we come up too strong, I'm taking my order off of this one also. I want a reaction to the zone. We more than likely will get one, but if we don't, I'm ripping it off. The zone that I'm taking right now too is in an A+++ setup. I like it though because how the candles got formed here. So I'm very interested in this. There's the ICT concept, the FUGs in here, which is why I like it. And because the whole point of the strategy is that there's orders sitting at 50%. Thanks for telling me that, 20. I forget that there's a delay. Healthy pullback, that's nice. I don't like that the pullback is before we get to our zone. Mine is at 20 seconds. Oh, that's good. I didn't know that. But on the phone as well. Makes sense. I wonder, are you trading with your laptop while driving? I don't know how that works. That's funny. Okay. There's really nothing. Okay, yeah, I'm not gonna, yeah. Now let me delete that. I want to keep this open just in case. I'm not gonna take it and see if we hold it, because then I can find a bullish play like on the way up. Let me make it red, so I'm not tempted to take it either. Oh, this month for TradingView, I paid $1 for it. They just like, I opened it up and it was like, hey, for $1 you can have premium. I was like, oh, what the hell? It's like $1.07 instead of paying like the $80. I hope we get filled. We still got like about 30-ish minutes. I'm home now, so it's on the phone and I trade off the computer. I understand. That's so awesome that you have windows of time to trade so you can go right back to life. I like this play. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. I'm taking it. Yeah, I'm taking it. Even if we come back though, you can see these big old candles right here. Make it tighter too if I need to. Give me a second. Here you go. Should I do one up? Yeah, that makes more sense. Okay. Let's see if we get filled at 40 or not. Is there a bigger zone? Nah, it's irrelevant. Come on, brother. A lot of the 1 minute candles look bearish, which is a good indication. The 15 minute looks good, like we're just having a healthy pullback. I'm not getting anything that's telling me no just yet. I'm down $4,000 in trading from the last 2.5 years, and for the first time I actually know I'll make it back. I stopped spending real money last year, and the last thing I spent money on my TradingView sub. That's awesome. If I really recommend mastering one strategy. So you're doing NNT right now, like backtest, and I just keep pushing on the mentorship. But even if it was just any other strategy, just have somebody review your trades so you can master it, understand what you're looking at, master direction. After you get really good at mastering the strategy and mastering direction, yeah, thank you. The whole point of mastering the strategy is so you can over leverage on prop challenges. So when you enter, you're paying $30, $40 for a prop challenge. You're gonna risk max size or cut down to 4 to 6 trades. So when you pass, you go back down to risking $100 per trade, and then you just have it connected to the copier. So let's say that you have one funded account. You can still go buy cheap evals that still copy. So you'll be trading $100 trades on your funded accounts while your evals are still just copying it. So you're still gonna be passing evals while still trading your funded, and then you get more funded accounts and you keep them on the copier. And psychologically, it's so healthy and good because like you're risking $100, but realistically you have all these accounts, so you're risking like 3K, 4K or whatever. But it's just so easy because you're just doing small increments and you're moving real slow. And the money follows when you put in the work. Peter said, yes, backtest every day and only trade the same time frame. Yes, that's what I say. He knows. That's awesome. It's repetition. That's all it is. It's so cool. It's so badass to me that I helped you get funded. Like that makes me so that makes me feel good. That's so awesome. Like I love doing this. Like I love teaching. It gives me more purpose, like fulfillment. Like I'm blessed that I'm not so worried about money, power, or status. Like I care so much just about helping. No, obviously the money, of course, but like overall, like I enjoy the idea of love and helping others. I think that happened when I became a parent, or a parent, like because I have a child, and he's so young still too. But I wasn't always like this, and I used to hate kids too. But he's about to be 3. He's like so aware, and he talks so much now. And he goes to daycare, so like he learns a lot from daycare too. I see something. I don't think I want to take it. I don't know. Oh, look. I was about to say, if we got a second tap, then yeah, we just did. Okay. I'll play ball. Yeah. It reacted how exactly I wanted it to react.
Order filled.
If my stop gets hit, I'm done for the day. If my TB gets hit, I'm done for the day.
Order canceled.
Hooray! We got a win. Fun. All the accounts are filled. Yes. Just gonna flatten out just in case. Yeah, I made about 111. So $111 off that one. I'll go over my trade right now and why I took it, and then I'll hop off. Okay. So, God, yeah. Looking at the higher time frame, we were clearly bearish. As you can see, these 2 white candles was a healthy pullback while we continue to the downside. I saw that we were reacting to this big zone right here. I knew this was a big zone was going to hold. I knew it was going to hold because volatility created it. So if you can see here, look how it got made. Swing low, swing high. Strong candle made it. We came out with a lot of strength, still respecting it. So I knew, I was like, this zone's gonna hold. It's gonna be an important zone. I said it. We broke out of this area and tapped on it perfectly, giving me more indication that we're super bearish. I saw typically the second swing, not the first one, the second swing is the strongest one. So I saw this zone, I really wanted it, but we got too far away. We came back, played a little games, and then we pushed down once again. So this trade right here is a second swing on this pull down. So this first swing I wasn't interested in it, but then the second swing happened. I saw it. I loved how this candle was formed. I said, oh, I'm gonna take this. I want this. I was a little bit unsure, but then I saw how we're coming down, how we reacted to the zone, and especially this one sold me right here, this last tap. So then I took the trade, and as you can see, it worked out. If I had more time to process my thoughts, I would have gone for the higher RR and gone for that eternal swing, which would have been right here. But since I wasn't as focused, as I am getting better at streaming and trading at the same time, but I was too busy yapping and thinking about everything else, I wasn't able to focus and put my TP on the higher RR for my NT plus play. It is what it is. I still got my 1-to-1. And yeah, I think that's it. I'm hopping off now. Hopefully I see you in the mentorship 20. It'd be awesome. It's a 7-day free trial. And if you don't like it, you get a refund. But alrighty. Thank y'all so much. Oh, there's also a lifetime one if you just want to be in there for the rest of your life. But okay, thank y'all so much. Thank you so much, Peter. I appreciate you. Appreciate your support, Peter. I hope you don't rush into anything, Peter, and you stay solid, stay patient. I appreciate y'all so much. I'm going to hop off now. All right. Thank y'all. All right. Bye-bye. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank y'all.